Send it in. Send it in.
We're gonna send this to Homeland Security.
Send it
Sovereign
in.
citizens. I didn't race over here, sir.
Yes, you did. I saw you.
No,
we saw you speed. I clocked you going.
Right.
I clocked you going.
Clocked me going 35.
63 and a 35.
You haven't been to speed measuring
I
class, so
clocked
I know
you. I
can't do it.
clocked you. Security. How about that?
Hey, check it out. They got the maritime flag there.
In the meantime, can you answer some questions for us?
Didn't I just say I don't appreciate you filming me? Are you serious?
Tax dollars go into this?
Well, like
I can't answer that for you, but you guys gotta go.
I cancel my job. You strangers are standing over
Hey,
me.
don't touch my stuff. Don't do that.
Strangers are standing
That's
over
battery.
me filming
That's
me.
simple assault.
I'm with the Wolf. I solve problems.
Good, we got one.
Limons.
No, it's not the Limons. I spell it for you. It's Limos.
Policy states that we are allowed to
Okay.
film
We're not
in
allowed.
the lobby.
Hey. What the? Initial question was to know if I could record in here.
No.
And what is the law behind it? I want to clarify that.
The law is that me and this sergeant say you can't.
Can you present it to me, though?
Just present it.
It's the policy of this building. There's no law.
So, all right. So I have law enforcement officers being policy enforcement right now.
Because the door was closed, they opened the door for me to get inside and you tried to get in. And that's why I closed the door on you.
It's a public entrance.
So we had this conversation previously. You're not allowed to record in here.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are. And we're doing a follow-up for something he hasn't gotten.
Yo.
This is the sheriff's office. There's transparency, right? There's transparency here? Is there transparency here or none?
Apparently not. Is he in today?
I answered you and I'm not answering you again.
Yeah, see, this is how public servants act.
So that's what we pay our tax
what we
money
pay our
for,
taxes
is
for?
bad attitude. Look at that smirky smug on
She
his
must have went to
face.
Philadelphia school.
I understand what you guys are doing, and I respect that. However, in order to get through that area, you have to have a government-issued ID.
Well, if you respected that, then you wouldn't be trying to have us give up our Fourth Amendment rights just to come into a public
Trying to
area.
give you your Fourth Amendment right. But
Yes, we're doing a story.
So you guys can be in the public area. That's not a public area.
Those aren't public areas.
Okay, I can't answer your questions if you're going to videotape.
Whoa, wait a minute. Do you not work for tax dollars? Is this not a publicly accessible building paid for and funded by the people?
Yeah, he's calling the police station right now to find out what's going on.
Look at this, guys. They're having a conversation. I'm sitting in line waiting. Excuse me, I hate to break this up, but I need to get a public records request. Yes, I can. No, it's not. No, it's not. And you guys are holding me up from getting a public records request. So. Let me ask you a question, sir. What are you guys doing to these kids here that we can't record? Is there something secret you guys are doing to these kids? Are you doing something bad to these kids? No, you only need the ID when you're going to secure areas, private offices.
Telling you, you need ID to get inside the building.
Limons, calm down real quick, okay? Please.
I'm calm down. I'm just telling you the rules.
Teach everybody a lesson. They think they got all the answers till you switch up the question.
Doesn't Ryan Gillikin still work here?
What's your name, sir?
Now we're going in a circular conversation.
What is your name?
It does. Sergeant Ryan Gillikin still work here? Oh my gosh!
That's not relevant. Is there a police emergency?
Private property?
This is the township of Greenwich.
Does the public not fund this building and your salary?
I got a picture of you, buddy.
Said you have what you want.
Yeah, and I'm getting
So
more
I'm
of what I
asking you to
want.
leave.
Yeah, we saw this. Take a couple more pictures and photo and video. Could you explain what vegetative waste is?
No,
Why not?
I am not aware of what it is.
Well, there's a sticker right here.
You can call the Public Works Department.
You're not allowed to be in here filming.
We have-
They want you to leave.
the people that run the building.
We have official business here, sir. What kind of public service is that? It's in
the
this
public
office.
service that you get here.
That is the biggest lie I've ever heard in my life.
It's not. So.
This door is a private entrance and exit for the police only.
All right, so that is for officers to know, or for the public to know?
It's for the public to know, sir.
So, but this on a private door. It's a private area.
I walked into a government building.
Man.
Who are you talking to?
Go. The light is green. You're stopping.
12 o'clock tour start. We'll be in.
What tour? No, tell me what tour. Tell me what tour. What tour?
You gotta not take pictures out here.
You gotta get permission to take pictures here.
On a public sidewalk?
Yes.
Sir, can you empty everything out of your bag?
What'd you say, son?
You just set the metal detector off. What's in there?
What'd you ask me? Ask you why you videotaping right now?
Because that's just what I do. Yeah, you have the right
What's
to
your
ask.
name?
I don't answer questions.
You don't have to. Can you turn the videotape off, please?
No, thanks.
I appreciate it. Where you from?
I don't answer questions, sir. What's your name and badge number, sir?
What is your name and badge number? No, you can answer my question first. What's your purpose of being here? Tell me what you're doing.
Is there a reason why you're getting so aggressive?
Yeah, I'm not being aggressive. I'm asking you what you're videoing for.
This is the chief of police here, Indian Shores. Look how he acts. Look at him.
Is there an issue? We'll do a cameo.
Cool, man. What's your name?
My name, you can't read?
What's in that cigar you're smoking, sir? This is a smoke-free facility, sir. Clean Air Act does not allow you to smoke that cigar here.
Put your tag number on YouTube.
Assault me again. Come on. Assault me again. Assault me again right now.
If I can smell you, you're too close.
Then back away.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you. I'm telling you, you're not taping her license plate.
You touch the camera, that's touching
I
me.
ain't touching
and
the
I'm gonna
camera.
touch you back.
You got Rice Krispie in front of me here. Appreciate it.
Is there a reason why you guys are videotaping? You don't have my permission to record. You guys have identification, you don't need to be on the property? I got three individuals here videoing on this property. I don't know who they are. They won't identify themselves.
What are you doing?
Is there a reason why you're harassing us, sir?
I don't know. We're walking on public sidewalk filming. This freaking guy comes and accosts us. What's his problem?
I have no idea.
Nor do we.
Where do I begin? I guess the best way is the WolfyGlady way, with the banging intro. That's what this was, a compilation of WolfyGlady's intros to his videos. He is a brilliant man and knows how to make outstanding videos. I mirrored WolfyGlady's first video because he was very cordial and respectful. He didn't come off as an ass, an instigator, or a bad person in general. He has since kept his cool demeanor, which I believe is great because he never looks like the bad guy in his videos. This video is my appreciation of a man who's kept his word, stayed on track, and never lost sight of why he's doing this. There are many channels that I've helped. Some of those channels believe I must continue to help them when I've already moved on to helping someone else. WolfyGlady is not like that. He is a very independent man and doesn't go around looking for handouts. He champions his own fight. So to that I say hooray. Go subscribe to our amigo WolfyGlady. Let him know San Joaquin appreciates him very much. Let him know how much you guys appreciate WolfyGlady. I want to see his channel get all the way up to where I am. I have 137,000 plus subscribers. I wish I can grab half of those and just give them to Wolfy right now. But if I can't do that, I can send you guys over there. So please, everyone, go over to WolfyGlady's channel and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button and let him know San Joaquin sent you guys. I will see you guys over there. I will put the links to his videos and the link to his channel in my description. Thank you guys. Much love and respect, and I truly appreciate all of you. Thanks.
Winston Wolf. I solve problems.
Good, we got one.